Want to get notified only for important emails? Setting up a VIP mail list helps you focus on what truly matters. If this helps, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips. Start by opening the Mail app on your iPhone. Head to any email from a sender you consider important. Tap on their name at the top of the email. When their contact card appears, tap Add to VIP. Now they're on your VIP list, and any new emails from them will show in your special VIP mailbox. To make sure you get alerts for VIPs, go to Settings, tap Notifications, then Mail. Select the VIP section and turn on Allow Notifications. You can even customize tones just for them so you never miss a message. That's it. Now your inbox is smarter and you're only alerted by the emails that truly matter. Keep following for more smart iPhone guides.